Good day guys, how's it going? Today I will be restoring this knife here. As you can see, this knife here is in a pretty beat up condition. There is a lot of tips here and there, and it also has such a big tip missing here, and it's also super blunt. Let me show you. See, it's not even biting at all. This knife here is a Shun series, and it belongs to my colleague at work, which is thanks to him for letting me practice with his knife. And before we start, just want to let you guys know that this is not a valid tutorial video. This is just the way how do I do it, and it works for me. So if you guys know better how to repair knife or restore knife, just let me know in the comment below. Let's get started. First, I draw with a Sharpie what I want this knife to look like and kind of give this knife a tip profile. Then, I'll tape the remaining part because I don't want to scratch this bad boy so much, since it would take a substantial amount of work to fix it. I use 120 grit stone first to grind the knife down and reshape the edges. And also, if you notice, my angle is a bit steeper, so I can actually grind faster. This is after half an hour of grinding. Only few minor chips left and the tip is looking good. Normally, I would go straight to sharpening process, but I think I have to clean the edges a little bit because the edges is so beat up, and I will use 400 grit stone. Now, since the chips have gone, so it's time to sharpen it, and I'll talk more detail about sharpening. I'm using 1000 grit stone at the moment. If you are wondering when you have to stop or if you are done with one side, so basically the edge of the knife is like this. Whenever you grind down one side of the knife, it will look like this. You can feel it with your finger. This is what you call it burr. All you have to do is grind the other side down so it will become like this and also has a burr. After you've done both sides and developed a burr on both sides, do this motion to clean up the knife and balance the edges. Now, for the polishing, I'll be using 3000 grit stone to give it a semi-gloss finish. Same method as last time, but it's harder to develop a burr in higher grit because it will only make a minor burr. Now again, do the same cleaning motion. Alright guys, the knife is done. As you can see, the chips is pretty much gone and the tip is also repaired. Let's have a look how sharp it is. razor sharp. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you, especially if you work in the kitchen. And if you like this video, please give a thumb up. And if you have any question, please leave the comment in the comment section below or send me a direct message. See you next time.